This Miele Blizzard vacuum cleaner combines impressive performance and time-saving technology to give you a deep clean throughout the house, perfect for households with furry pets. Vortex technology creates an airflow exceeding 100 kilometers an hour, giving you powerful suction to lift heavy dirt and hidden ultrafine particles that can otherwise be left behind. ComfortClean provides an automatic cleaning function that monitors the collection of dust within the Gore CleanStream filter. This initiates a self-service clean without the need for manual intervention. The 4 power settings allow you to tailor the suction power to different surfaces, giving you the best cleaning results on all surfaces and furnishings found throughout the house. Able to pick up the finest dust from the thickest of carpets, you can rely on the self-cleaning Miele Blizzard vacuum cleaner to easily pick up pet hair.